Hello students, today we will continue chapter number 4 of economics, globalization and the Indian economy part 2. In this second part, we will mainly talk about two main topics. First is investment and second one is how MNCs work, that is multinational corporations, how they work, how they invest in different countries. These are the aspects we have to discuss today. Investment. First of all, we need to understand the meaning of investment. The money that is spent to buy assets such as land, building, machines, and other equipments is called investment. So whatever we are spending to get return in future, all that is investment. That may be for land, building, machines, all other things. People invest, industrialists invest this money, spend this money to earn profit in future. जो भी पैसा हम लगाते हैं किसी भी चीज़ में, ये देखते हुए कि फ्यूचर में हमें इससे फ़ायदा होगा. सो दैट इज़ इन्वेस्टमेंट. Investment made by MNCs is called foreign investment. जो दूसरी कंट्रीज़ की मल्टीनेशनल कॉरपोरेशंस हैं MNCs, वो जो इन्वेस्ट करती हैं हमारी कंट्री में, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट. Any investment is made with the hope that these assets will earn profit. I already told you in the meaning that all this investment, all this expenditure is for future profit. So that is the main motive of investment. Then how MNCs invest? वो पैसा इन्वेस्ट कैसे करते हैं? In other words, how they set up industries, how they continue production process. Production process या इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के कई तरीके हैं which is used by MNCs especially. First is jointly. They invest money with some other companies, local companies. For example, Maruti Suzuki. So Maruti is Indian company and Suzuki is a Japanese company. So there is a collaboration between these two and they are working in India. So this is called joint venture. यहाँ पे jointly दो कंपनीज, दो कंट्रीज की कंपनीज एक साथ काम कर रहे हैं. इसमें फ़ायदा क्या है? What is the advantage of प्रोड्यूसिंग गुड्स जॉइंटली? इसमें फ़ायदा ये है, इंडियन कंपनी गेट एडवांटेज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. जापान इज़ वेरी एडवांस इन टेक्नोलॉजी, तो वहाँ से हमें टेक्नोलॉजी सीखने का मौका मिलता है और दे ब्रिंग देयर ओन टेक्नोलॉजी. ऑन द अदर हैंड, दैट फॉरेन कंपनी also have some advantages. For example, Indian company can arrange things in our country in a better way. For example, land, developing infrastructure, providing employment or arranging labors. ये सारा काम इंडियन कंपनी अपने कंट्री के अंदर आराम से अरेंज कर लेती है. एंड दे ब्रिंग टेक्नोलॉजी, they trained engineers. So in this way, two companies can work together, Indian company and some other foreign company. So this is called joint venture and they decide rules and regulations. आपस में किस तरह से इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, कितना कौन इन्वेस्टमेंट करेगा, प्रॉफिट कैसे शेयर होगा. So they decide together. They make their rules, laws jointly and on that basis they work together. So in this way, foreign companies invest in some other countries and both the companies have some advantage. After this, you see, MNCs can provide money. Just now I gave you one example of technology. They can provide technology or they can provide money, additional investments like buying new machines. For machines I used word technology, for faster production, for better quality. Second, MNCs might bring with them the latest technology for production. So these factors are favorable for India when we are not technologically so advanced like Japan. Then second way of investment is by local companies. What foreign companies are doing, they are simply buying local companies. लोकल कंपनी को वो एज इट इज़ खरीद लेते हैं and later on they make some changes, especially they change technology. They bring technology and they modify machines and rest of the things, puri building, land, employees, all are same. They can give training to employees according to their wish, and they can make some basic changes in technology because the quality of production mainly depends on machines, technology. So वो चेंज कर लेते हैं, बाकी सारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वो एज इट इज़ रहने देते हैं. So this is the way how they invest money in some other countries. They simply buy local companies. So this is another way of investing money in some other countries by buying local companies. Now we will see third method, place orders for production. Foreign company place orders. There are many things which are not imported from other countries. They tell the parameters of production. For example, one foreign company want to give order of shoes. एक शू बनाने वाली कंपनी इंडिया में एक ऑर्डर देना चाहती है. उसके लिए वो क्या करेगी? They can set up all the parameters that what type of quality they want. शूज़ के सोल कैसा होगा, उसकी लेस कैसी होगी, उसमें कैसा स्टफ़ यूज़ होगा, everything they decide. On that basis they place order, and after that when that shoes are produced by Indian company, they check that quality कि जो पैरामीटर्स डिसाइड हुए थे उस हिसाब से प्रोडक्शन हुआ या नहीं हुआ. So after checking that quality, they give their own symbol, label. अपनी कंपनी का वो एक लेबल दे देते हैं उसी पे. So this is the way how foreign companies invest in our country. इसमें सारा प्रोडक्शन हमारी कंट्री में ही होता है, but the parameters, the quality is decided by the foreign company. So this is also one way of investment by foreign companies, MNCs, multinational corporation. The products are supplied to the MNCs which then sell these under own brand names. Just now I told you that they give their own label. For example, Reebok shoes. So most of them are produced in our country, but the label of Reebok is given by them. ये जो ब्रांड का नेम है वो दे देते हैं क्वालिटी चेक के बाद according to their parameters. quality. These large MNCs have tremendous power to determine price, quality, delivery, and labor conditions. Actually, these MNCs which are working in different countries, they they have lot of money power. उनके पास काफ़ी पैसा होता है. So they are able to determine prices according to their wish. वो prices वगैरह भी खुद ही बढ़ाते हैं. वो you will find many times that prices are increased by multinational companies, and then prices of goods are increased by smaller companies. पहले बड़ी कंपनीज प्राइजेस डिसाइड करती हैं, उसके पीछे बहुत सारी लोकल कंपनीज, छोटी कंपनीज भी अपने प्राइस को रिवाइज करती है. ऐसा आपने कभी नहीं सुना होगा कि छोटी कंपनी ने पहले प्राइस बढ़ा लिए और बड़ी कंपनी ने बाद में बढ़ाए. ऐसा करने से that smaller company will not be able to sell their products in the market because competition is there. But larger companies, as they are producing goods of better quality, they can decide higher prices, and then other smaller companies follow them. So this is another way. Here you can see with the help of this flow chart, प्रोडक्शन अक्रॉस कंट्रीज, वेज ऑफ कंट्रोलिंग प्रोडक्शन, कैसे कैसे वो प्रोडक्शन कंट्रोल करते हैं, उसकी एक समरी आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं जो हमने अभी डिटेल में डिस्कस किया. एक्सर्ट इन्फ्लुएंस, आई जस्ट नाउ टोल्ड यू दैट दे आर वेरी लार्ज, दे हैव ह्यूज इन्वेस्टमेंट, सो दे कंट्रोल मार्केट अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर विश, their advantages like price and many other things. Then place orders, we have already discussed this point that they are giving order to local companies. Set up production jointly. I give you example of Maruti Suzuki. Earlier Hero Honda, this was also working together, but now Hero company is producing bikes separately. अब जो आप बाइक देखते हो उस पर केवल हीरो लिखा होता है, लेकिन जो पहले की बाइक्स हैं उसमें हीरो होंडा, होंडा इज अगेन फ्रॉम जापान एंड हीरो इज इंडियन कंपनी. सो देयर वाज जॉइंट वेंचर. उनका एक एग्रीमेंट होता है कि इतने साल तक हम एक साथ प्रोडक्शन करेंगे. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, बट नाउ हीरो इज प्रोड्यूसिंग बाइक्स separately. Use local companies for supplies. सप्लाई के लिए भी लोकल कंपनीज को यूज करते हैं. दिस इज अनदर वे. देन बाय लोकल कंपनीज, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस इन डिटेल कि वो लोकल कंपनीज को खरीद लेते हैं, एंड देन विथ सम मॉडिफिकेशंस स्पेशली इन टेक्नोलॉजी दे स्टार्ट प्रोडक्शन बाय यूजिंग सेम इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, और स्लोली स्लोली वो अपने हिसाब से सारा चेंज कर लेते हैं. देन फॉरेन ट्रेड एंड इंटरनेशनल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ मार्केट्स. फॉरेन ट्रेड, बाय द वर्ड यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज अ ट्रेड बिटवीन मैनी कंट्रीज. सो फॉरेन ट्रेड यानी फॉरेन कंट्रीज के साथ में बिजनेस. देन with the help of this flow chart also you can understand that how international market is integrated with the help of foreign trade. Attract trading interest. ट्रेडिंग जो है उसका इंटरेस्ट, ट्रेडर्स का इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट करना. क्रिएट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर प्रोड्यूसर्स टू रीच बियॉन्ड डोमेस्टिक मार्केट. Foreign trade gives an opportunity to various companies to reach in different countries of the world, to supply goods to different countries of the world. अलग अलग कंट्रीज में अपने गुड्स को पहुंचाने में वो तभी सफल होंगे जब उन्हें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी होगी कि वो फॉरेन ट्रेड कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज़ वाई गवर्नमेंट gives freedom, restrictions are reduced दैट कोई भी कंपनी फॉरेन में अपने गुड्स बेच सकती है, खरीद सकती है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट ग्लोबलाइजेशन. कंपटीशन अमंग प्रोड्यूसर्स. एक्चुअली व्हेन देर आर मोर कंपनीज, फॉरेन कंपनीज इंडिया में है, इंडिया की कंपनीज भी इंडिया में है. सो देर आर लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज वर्किंग एंड प्रोड्यूसिंग सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट्स. तो इसका एडवांटेज जो है किसको मिलता है? इसका एडवांटेज मिलता है कंज्यूमर्स को. व्यू पीपल गेट एडवांटेज. कैसे? व्हेन कंपनीज आर मोर वी गेट मेनी चॉइसेस and prices are also controlled. If any company will try to sell their goods at higher prices तो उसका सामान नहीं बिकेगा, because competition is there. So that is why in competitive market, when foreign companies, Indian companies are working together, we get more choices and the prices are also competitive, controlled in favor of people. Easy availability of goods. Just now I told you that many choices are there and easy availability is there, and services across nations. अलग अलग तरह की सर्विसेज. अब ये अमेज़न का नाम आपने सुना होगा. बहुत सारे गुड्स को सप्लाई करती है, अलग अलग तरह की ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड करती है, बिल पेमेंट और भी कई तरह के सामान आप खरीद सकते हैं. सो दिस इज नॉट इंडियन कंपनी. फॉरेन कंपनी इज देयर बट वर्किंग इन इंडिया and providing services. So today you will find that there are many companies which are providing online services, supplying online goods. So some are Indian and many are foreign companies. So we have many ways to buy our products. घर में बैठ के भी खरीद सकते हैं, मार्केट में जाके भी खरीद सकते हैं. So such type of facilities, choices are available. Expansion of choices. I have already discussed this point that many choices are available. कंपनी ज़्यादा होगी तो हमारे पास चॉइस भी ज़्यादा होगी. Reduction of prices of goods and services because of competition. This also I have discussed that when companies are more, competition is there, then prices will be controlled. कोई भी कंपनी ज़्यादा प्राइजेस नहीं बढ़ा सकती. For a long time, foreign trade has been the main channel connecting countries. How countries are connected? Countries are connected with the help of foreign trade. People of other countries are coming to India, supplying their products. Indian companies are supplying their products to other countries. So in this way we are in touch with other countries. हम दूसरी कंट्रीज के टच में रहते हैं. एक कनेक्शन का मेथड हो गया. Foreign trade creates an opportunity for the producers to reach beyond domestic market. We have already discussed that many companies are there which are supplying goods to different countries. So we have opportunity to go beyond Indian market, local market, and can earn more money. Producers can sell their produce not only in markets located within the country but can also compete in markets located in other countries. So there is no limitation. If you are able to compete, then you can supply your goods to any country and earn more profit. So a big opportunity is available at international level. You are not limited to own country only. Foreign trade thus results in connecting the markets. So altogether कुल मिला के बात ये है कि foreign trade gives opportunity to connect our country with other countries. So this is all about these two important topics, that how what is investment and how MNCs produce goods in different countries by using various methods. We have already also discussed about foreign trade, which connects different countries of the world. In next part, we will talk about few more important topics of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.